You ready? Go.
Hold up. Hold up.
I hit you? Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, round one, I did win. So let's see what round one has to offer. I mean, round two. You mark, get set, go. That was close.
Jonah, you hit me.
Okay, so I hit Josiah on round 2-2.
Final round.
Set, go.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yep, he's on the roof.
Josiah, I can't see. Do you surrender?
No.
Oh my.
I'm gonna make a run for it.
Oh my.
Man, where is he? Josiah,
What?
can I unfog my goggles?
No.
Josiah! Josiah!
What?
Can I please unfog my goggles? I can't do nothing right now. Can't even see the aimer. Josiah!
What?
Let me unfog my goggles!
Why?
So that I can see. You can unfog yours too.
I don't need unfogging. Hey. You
Okay.